You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
And of course, all Eastern Uganda districts have received the materials, the books for membership registration. All Eastern Uganda districts. 90% of the districts of the northern Uganda have received. For instance, the districts of Omoro have received the registers. The districts of Agago have received the registers. The district of Noya has received the registers. The district of Padel has received the registers. Kitugum has received the registers. So then, and then we are only Amuru has received registers, so that all actually sub-region has taken registers. The district of West Nile, 70% have received registers under the leadership and guidance of our district of national, the vice president in charge of the east, no, in charge of the west, the Honorable Alitia area. In central Uganda, Lango, all the districts of Lango, the books have been delivered through Honorable Pascal Grace Agwang, the NEC representative for Lango sub-region. The districts of Karamoja, out of 90% have received the register through the NEC member, Honorable Akong Josephine. The districts of Eastern have received registers under the supervision of Vice President for the East, but all chairpersons received these registers. And of course, the districts of areas of Busoga with Honorable Ismail Kiria, all those now as the caretaking with the supervision of this. And you know why Eastern? That's where we held our National Executive Committee, and that's where I come from, and all of us are going to make sure that these processes are done. The districts of Central, Greater Mityana, has already taken the books through our NEC representative, the Honorable Ronald Sevana Muini. We are in a process, Buganda, Masaka area, and all the other districts. The books are going to be sent to the district chairpersons through the district chairpersons, constituencies, and all the levels. But also, all the materials are available. They will be here at our national headquarters, but also our Balituma campaign secretariat. We are also going to be launching our online soft version, so that the book you have seen here, you can now access it online to help many of our diaspora members that are out there. And immediately you fill in, it will send us a signal for us to okay the paying of the card. And then of course, there are party membership cards for this year. All our party membership cards, they have the stamp, the signature of the party president and the signature of the Secretary General as a person that is dispatching the cards. So all members, once you enter into the register, after entering into the register, you must now enter into, So it's a long process, but we want members to know. It is from here that we know the base, that you are in a database. Then you enter the final in terms of a summarized form. That's how we run a modern party. We don't just say Jaja wange yaliwa DP. No, we cannot tell. We know that your Jaja was DP, you did well,